Good afternoon. It's Friday. It's the afternoon update, April the 1st. Had a very interesting day today. Most of the commodity markets were down this morning, and all of the agricultural markets closed up on the day. Unemployment figure came out this morning at 7:30. It was a more positive number than people thought, and that was constructive for the stock market, also constructive for the dollar. The cotton market was very impressive today. I'm looking at since yesterday at about 11:15 in the morning after that report came out for planting intentions, the market rallied from low to high 238 points. Now it closed today up 77 at 59.21 with a high of 59.39 and a low this morning of 58.15. So it closed very well today. We're looking, this is the highest close that we've seen in a month and a half in cotton. So we're starting to see short covering from the large speculative funds that are in this market. As we move higher, many of them are coming out of their positions. Therefore, they're buying back their short positions. If this continues and we get to higher levels, certainly if we can get above 60 cents, which is what, about 80 points higher than this next week, we could see quite a bit more short covering come into this market. Let's look at soybeans. May soybeans up 8.5 at 9.19 and a quarter with a high of 9.20 made very late in the day. In the final minutes, we were making that new high. The low is 9.08 and a quarter made earlier. Corn was down throughout the day, and just minutes ago it started to really move up. Corn's closing up 2.5 at 3.54. That's on the heels of a very negative day yesterday, with the acreage number being quite a bit higher than anyone thought. And corn, the high 3.53, the low 3.47 and a quarter. That's wrong. The high is 3.54 and a half. It happened so late. I'd recorded the number just minutes ago, and it changed. May wheat closing up 1 3/4 at 4.75 and a quarter. The high is 4.76 and a quarter. The low is 4.66 and a quarter. Let's look at these outside markets. Let me look at the screen to see if things are changing any here as we speak. We've got crude oil down 125. Bad news coming from some oil producers. They're saying they're not going to cut production unless they see Iran cut production, and the odds of that are very small. So that's been a negative. The dollar is up 3. Gold down 13. Silver down 43 cents. And the Dow Jones right now is up 79. So that's really it. We'll come in Monday and see how these markets have changed over the weekend. Hope you have a good weekend, and we'll see you then. Thank you.